Hi everyone, and I hope you're doing well tonight. So in this video I'm going to go over OneGram. Now OneGram is a new platform that allows you to purchase a cryptocurrency called OneGram. OneGram Coin is actually backed by 1 gram of gold. So for every token or coin or cryptocurrency called 1 gram is backed by 1 gram of gold. This is interesting. Now, why would you say that? Here's why. As a cryptocurrency, its value is going to fluctuate. So how do you back it by only 1 gram of gold if gold is fluctuating on a market price? Well, here is how it's backed. 1 gram of gold is actually now set with a floor price. So this actual token has a minimum value that it cannot break and go below, and that is the value of 1 gram of gold. So if 1 gram of gold is $52 Canadian, 1 gram coin has a minimum price of $52 Canadian. With trading and over time, this 1 gram can be token can be valued at a higher price than that. So let's say $100 Canadian, but gold is $52, which is great. There's your token is valued a lot higher, but it's still backed by at least 1 gram of gold. But in this case, it would be actually 1 point something, not exactly 2 grams of gold, but a little bit more, which is nice. Now, what if the token price actually drops? There's a lot of people selling their token, cashing in, and that would drive the price towards $51, and the price of 1 gram of gold is $52. Well, that price of that one token is going to reach $52, and it's not going to go below that price, which is nice. So because it is backed by gold. Now this is actually a platform set up in the Middle East, in Dubai, and it tells you here it is backed by 1 gram of gold for each token. Historically, gold is more resilient and holds its worth better than any fiat money, which is true. No currency can guarantee absolute stability, but 1 gram limits your exposure to the downside risk because it's backed by gold. Because the base price of 1 gram is always at least equal to the spot price of gold, 1 gram has a floor price, which I just explained earlier. Now, they also offer growth with every transaction. So each 1 gram transaction generates a small fee. Unlike other cryptocurrencies, in 1 gram, this fee is reinvested net of admin costs to buy more gold and increase the amount of gold that backs each token. So with other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, these fees are miner fees. They're collected and held by the miners or sold or for profit and so on. In this case, they actually, the issuer of the token takes these fees, deducts covers their expenses and the extra they use to buy gold to continue backing their currency with it. As transaction volume increases, more gold gets added to the vault, and all 1 gram owners share in the profit. So over time, each 1 gram is fundamentally worth more by design. 1 gram is an asset class that increases in value, not just from the price of gold, but also from the amount of gold that backs each coin, which increases with each transaction. This makes 1 gram a forever increasing valuable asset. Now here's the team behind it and so on. Now I got into this a little bit earlier. I didn't mention it until now because it is taking off. I actually got in when they were doing their ICO, and you can see here Gold Guard partnership, where actually Gold Guard is a licensed with Dubai Airport free zone for trade jewelry, namely gold. So this is where they'll be sourcing their gold. 1 gram initial coin offering. This is where I got in May, and I bought some of their coins. And then now first phase was considered complete earlier in September. The sale of has been divided into sold coins and coins are reserved for institutional allocation. Testnet launch of OGC 1 gram coin. So this is a test network for the transactions, and that'll be next year, so people will be able to transact with these coins. Now this is the roadmap that I'll go over. They will have block explorers, so it's based on blockchain, and you'll be able to check all transactions. They will have that launched in January next year, and also they'll have wallets on all platforms. I'm looking forward to that. I'm telling you about this because this is an opportunity. If you are interested, there are, I think, another gold coin or cryptocurrency backed by gold I've seen outside, but I didn't like their design. I like this one. Also, if for those in the Middle East that care about, I'll get into that when it comes to gold investing. There's a little bit more involved for those in the Middle East. So this tells you different things that they're going to launch, or the exchange listing. So they're going to list it on popular cryptocurrency exchanges, which is very interesting. People will be able to trade it. So if you get to buy it, it will become very valuable very quickly. They will have ATMs across the Middle East, Africa, and Asia. That's awesome, because I see the value of this thing going up like crazy once transactions get underway. And you see the fees, they're going to be used to buy gold. So imagine you're holding like 50 coins, and suddenly right now it's those are backed by 50 grams of gold. By next year, when transactions are kicking in, now they're backed, those same 50 coins are backed by, let's say, 100 grams of gold. The value is going to go up very, very, very quickly. So Gold Card, MasterCard will be introduced, and so on. So this is a very, very interesting platform, and I am very glad to actually get into this and show you this right now. So what I'll do is I am going to log in. There's the white paper that you can read and check out. So the platform is, or the website is onegram.org. Logged in here into goldguard.com, and you can see this is the account I have. It's been a while since I logged in. Now you see I have 5 I didn't have this before. I have 5 I had 5 gold coins, or 1 gram coins, and you see here this is the trading price spot for gold, and for the day, during the day, it's been trading downward, which is normal. The entire market it's been trading downward. It goes up and down. This is over the week, and over the month it will have a downward trend. However, what we're looking at is the value of the account. Right now we have over here, I bought the gold coins, and actually this is I tried to do a bank transfer, but I just used my credit card. It was a lot easier that way. So 221.59 divided by 5.0000. That's 5 zeros, no, 4 zeros. 5943. Now that gives you $44.32. You can say, rounding up, 32 cents US. So $44.32. That was the spot price I bought at, and right now it's 42. So it's just $2 below the price I bought, which is fine. The value in this is in the long run, not right now, and I see this as an interesting opportunity to hold. You can invest just a little bit, not too much, and see where that goes. For those in the Middle East, it's based on Sharia law, so basically there is no speculation involved in this cryptocurrency. It's pure value based driven, so people cannot just speculate on this platform, and that's the best part of it. There's no interest, of course, so the growth here will come from value through transactions and the use of this coin. So that's really it. Quick short video about this platform. You have a great night, guys, and do check it out. GoldGuard, that's the website for the platform, and that where you'll be able to buy OneGram coins and transact with it. Thank you very much, and have a good night.